Hello, in front of me I've got a BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with the top of the list, so let's select none. Now swipe, pin, password, and in the end, pattern. Once it's done, we can go to fingerprint and simply scan your fingerprint on the sensor right here at the side of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and adjust your fingerprint position each time. Last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.